The lazy cat. Coco, the cat, was very lazy. She loved sleeping on her soft red pillow. All day long, she lay there dreaming of fish. One sunny morning, Minnie the Mouse tiptoed across the floor. She saw Coco snoring. "Is this cat even alive?" Minnie whispered. Suddenly, Coco opened one eye. "Hey, I heard that," she yawned. "Then catch me," laughed Minnie, running in circles. Coco rolled over. "Too much work. Maybe tomorrow." Minnie couldn't believe it. "Huh? You're supposed to chase mice like me." Coco stretched. "I'm a new kind of cat. Peaceful and proud." Minnie grinned. She brought cheese and danced. "I bet I can build a house next to your pillow." "Go ahead," Coco mumbled, eyes closing again. Later, Coco's owner walked in. "No mice caught, no dinner for you, Coco." Coco's eyes shot open. No dinner?" she gasped. Minnie waved from her tiny house. "Good night, sleepyhead." That night, Coco's stomach growled loudly. "Tomorrow," she said, "I'll catch one mouse."